And then, in my neck here, and in my hands is different. I don't use any stuff. I use this one. Delfanti Melano. Creepy Skin Collagen Plus Hyaluronic Acid. Neck and dick. Ano ba yan? Neck. Siguro dick. Para ko nun for creepy skin. Creepy naman ni akong diani. So, mo ni akong ibutang. Mura naman ni siya lotion. Gamay lang ibutang nato. Pero murag, magbutang bita ko ani kay when I put this one, it becomes parang gaganon, stretch. Tapos, and then, I will also put in my here, in my hands. Okay. Because at the other one, we'll put kay, it's good that our hands is it looks like lotion. Lotion na siguro ni siya, but with something. I'm done. And I will comb my hair. Kay sayang ako ang buhok nga. Ako naman, I went to my friend Jim because there's plenty of gray hair, so he put some stuff black. I don't like my hair. I want the long one because I can ponytail. This one could not ponytail. It's itchy here. I'm not used to small short hair. Yeah, I have to. Do you like my hair, guys? Okay, I'm done. I'm ready for bed, but I still have something to do. So, thank you for cooperating me. And good night. Bye-bye.